Today on Chloe's Big World. This is my main channel. I just filmed this video on my vlog channel, which you guys have not heard of at all. It's called Chloe's Big Vlogs. Not Chloe's Big World. It's funny. No one's watched it, so I hope you guys could. And guys, we almost have 20 subscribers. This is crazy. Like when I had 10 subscribers, I got happy. Shh, you be quiet, listen. And we're about to get 20 subscribers. We've got about 16. Gotta do your cartwheels. That's a rocks, guys. Woo! We're going to a pre-waterfall. I mean, right, like the stick our feet in. If you look at my Instagram, you'll see I'm posting. Like, crazy lately. I'm going to try to see if I can post once in 2 weeks. Yeah, so it's cool. Crazy girl. Look at this, guys. I can just slide in there and die. Nope, there's snakes, not water. Trey, wait for me! Do you see it? No, that's not it. Getting closer. We're here, guys. Wow! I'm playing a game with Riley. Pretty sweet for a gal like me. Riley! Let's start working on your modeling career. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and go. Dun, 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 dun. Right, stand up and model. Like a sassy model. Riley, be a sassy model, please. Dun, 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 dun. What do you want? I really want. Like, guys, this is beautiful. Okay, guys, I love you so much. And you turn my world upside down. I love you, bye.